Welcome back to another episode of Hold and Modify, YouTube's most poorly produced and underproduced Amiga channel. And yes, I'm talking over my intro because this is a short video on the 600 in its current state. Here we go. Alright, so I've got the 600 open, and as you can see here, the hard drive kind of fits in there nicely. I got to get this pushed down all the way right there. Those pins are not fully connected, and as you can see, the board is not the cleanest, but I just need to get this pushed down, otherwise it's not going to work. You need to make sure that thing is really pushed down. Don't push it down by grabbing it like I am right now, but grab the actual black connector and just give it a good jam down. Ah, June bug. Okay, yep. So yeah, Rev2B. Here's a nice little history. The behind the scenes, the sticker over the top of the board's printing kind of bums me out, but I guess that's standard. I guess you experts would know all the cool information about the history of when this was. And I did notice this Panasonic drive, so that's kind of cool. I mean, Panasonic. It was made in the Philippines, so I guess that makes sense since it was made in, actually it was made in Malaysia, not the Philippines, Q. And yeah, and here's the cool 8 meg fast RAM expansion right there. Now, of course, this is going to pop out when I get that 68030, but for now, it's going to serve its purpose. You could totally do WHD load with OCS games on this, just with this setup you see here. I mean, it'll work great, and it's booting up. You can see the horizontal smears there. Those horizontal smears are the same I see on my Amiga 3000, and I'm not sure what that is. It might be, you could argue a recap, but my 3000 uses all new caps and stuff. And yeah, as many of you know, this keyboard extender often gets broken when you open your 600 up, and I popped the ground off, so I'm going to try an attempt to solder this, which is never going to go well. So here we are in sysinfo. Now I ran this in WinUE where I built this hard drive up. I always build my hard drives in emulation first and then take them over to the Amiga so I can do all the troubleshooting and whatnot. And yeah, you're going to see there that the score is a 1.34. And this is because we have that fast RAM expansion in there. So we have our full 2 megabyte chip and fast RAM. We're going to get a slightly higher score than a truly bone stock 600 with only 1 megabyte of chip memory. So just wanted to show that here. This pretty much jives exactly with what WinUE was showing me. And then let's go ahead and I think the hard drive is going to be around 660K a second. Not blazingly fast, but that's what WinUE said it was going to be. I'm sure this will be right on par with that. But yeah, the next thing to do with this is to get the 68030 installed, and that'll be hopefully in the next video. I'm still waiting for that to show up, but for now, the 600 is working. It's got its hard drive in there, and I think that's about it. Yeah, 660K. Hey, thanks for watching this short video, and we'll look forward to more of the 600. I'm done with this video.